Editing Emily here. I just have to let you know, this vlog is unhinged. This vlog is unhinged. There is no rhyme. There is no reason. There's random train videos. It's unhinged. It's wild. Just prepare yourself, okay?
Bunch of other things. There's a whole bunch of tests we're running. We're learning a lot more. It's so interesting.
I'm watching BookTube and I'm realizing how dangerous watching BookTube really is, because the amount of books I have written down from this one video that I will buy and I will read. Dangerous. Can you talk any quieter, please? Please talk quieter. It makes my life easier. Also, look at this girl wearing a hat. She knows what's up. She knows what's up. Okay, no, but in all seriousness, having a Kindle is so dangerous for me, I think. I thought it was going to be better, but I think it's dangerous because now, instead of going into a bookstore and getting 6 books, maybe once every couple of months, you know? Now I can just go on this thing. I can be like, oh, what was the name of that book that I just saw on BookTube? Oh, bought it. Oh, what was the name? Oh, bought it. How did I spend $70 today? I didn't even go anywhere. Oh, I bought it on my Kindle. So, I mean, it's great for space because it's all on here, you know? Is it good for me and my soul? That is another question. Right now, I'm going to stop by the immigration office because I'm not entirely sure how it works, but when I leave to go home for Christmas, and very soon, I think I need a specific document because I don't have my residence permit yet. So I think I need like a specific document, and so I'm gonna go to the immigration office and ask them about it. That's what I'm doing right now. One thing that I'm definitely doing today is I am going to go see The Hunger Games, Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. I have been waiting patiently. I have to go see it. I have to. There's an English showing today at 4. I don't know what else is happening today, okay? I don't, but that is definitely happening, so. So I literally just got home. I just got home. I have a lot of things to say, okay? A lot transpired that I would like to talk about, but I don't have time. I just got home, charged my phone for a little bit, and am I gonna go watch the Hunger Games now? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I have to leave immediately to go do that. That's what I'm gonna go do. So, did I perchance wait in line for nearly 4 hours just to be turned away? Yes. Yes, that happened. I'll tell you all about that. But for right now, I'm gonna go watch a movie, so. That may have been better than the Hunger Games. I'm like actually gonna cry. That was such a good movie. Such a good movie. When it ended, I was just sitting there with my mouth open. I'm so happy. It was such a good movie. So, now that I got that out of the way, that very important thing I had to do, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I got all of my homework done for tomorrow. Oh, which by the way, I got all that done when I was waiting in a 4-hour line to get turned away. Yeah, I said that already, right? So I went to go to the immigration office to get the certificate thing that I need and waited in line for literally 4 hours. Genuinely 4 hours. I stood in line for, yeah, they turned me away. It wasn't just me, it was quite a few other people who were waiting there for hours. It's okay. It's okay. I actually wasn't mad at all, which maybe I should have been. While I was standing in line, I was able to do all of my homework. So that's great. Now I don't have to do that. Yeah, everything to do with anything with trying to integrate into society here sucks. Everything I've tried to do, from registering with the city, getting a phone number, just everything. It's been so hard. Getting a bank account has been literally like pulling teeth out of my mouth, okay? It's been so hard. The immigration office really sucks. And I'm pretty sure it's universal, like it's not just in Nuremberg. I've seen things online about other cities too, so if you're thinking about moving here, that's a tough thing that you have to deal with. But it's okay because I have a plan now. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in on Thursday. I'm going to wake up at 6 a.m. and I'm going to be the first person in line. It did suck to have to stand there for so long, but I was able to do all of my reading, and I literally finished the reading as they were saying everything's done. So like, great, I got my homework done. Went and saw the Hunger Games. Not too bad of a day. So now that my homework is done, I can kind of just edit all of the vlogs that I'm behind on. Probably should do that. So yeah, I'm gonna have some dinner. I'm going to think about the Hunger Games for the rest of my life. It was so good. So anyways, it's honestly been a crazy journey with the Hunger Games in my life. No, I'm not gonna be like, oh. I love the Hunger Games. Man, when did they first come out? I think I was like 16. It just blew my mind how good the movies were. No, I think I was 18. I think it was 17. You know what? I think I don't remember. I loved the movie when it first came out. After I watched the movie, the first thing that I did is I went to Walmart and I immediately bought the entire series and read the books. Huge fan of the Hunger Games. Very inspiring back then as a very young adult, and inspiring now, you know? It's so good. The story is so good. This movie was so incredibly good. I don't know. The actors. It was so good. It ended. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything. Just know that it was good. Go see this movie. The music, just... Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. And I'm going to... I'm gonna do everything I need to do. We'll see if I even go to bed tonight, you know? I'm gonna edit all my vlogs. I'm gonna write all the emails I have to email. I'm gonna do everything. Let's go.